Hi traders, welcome once again to my channel. I am OT Josh, and let's see what we have here. We have a ranging market whereby price is moving within a support and a resistance area. So we are seeing something like a breakout happening here. I don't know yet, so we'll have to observe and analyze. Okay, now this is our trading range. So this might be a breakout, yes. Okay, I'm sure this is going to be the breakout, and after the breakout, as usual, what we're going to do as usual is to do our trade for 5 minutes. Yes, this is a really nice opportunity just coming to us at in a platter. Okay, now I did the call trade for 5 minutes, so we have 4 minutes left. The reason why I took this trade confidently is simple. If you look at this place, the market closed above this round number of 200, which is a strong round number. So when this candle broke out, that round number, yes, when this candle broke out, this round number is going to react with the candle to take it up. Number one. And number two, the reason why I'm also taking this trade is because if you can see the wicks of these candles, they are very small, especially this one. The wick is very small, and this shows that the sellers will not be coming in as strong as they would come in to take the market down. Now they are in the market now, but because of these two candles wick that are small, you will find out that buyers will eventually take this market up because of this breakout. Okay, so now as we can see, the buyers are coming in. They are coming in. They may not come in on this candle now because after a breakout we have a retracement. So okay, the retracement has happened. If it closed green, then maybe the continuation will happen, but eventually at the end of this trade, the market will be closing above that round number, and then it will be going up and up. So in case this is your first time joining us, you can subscribe to this channel, use the subscribe button, and then you should like and share this video with your friends so that they may too learn from this trading video. If you want to get the ebook is at my description of this video. The link to get the ebook is at the description of this video. You contact me and I'll tell you how you can get the ebook. So let's go back to our trade and see what's happening now. As we can see, the buyers are beginning to come in from this level here, and the sellers are beginning to get weak. You can see it from the size of the candlestick. You can see buyers are trying to come in. They are still trying to come in, and we have 2 minutes more. That means we have 2 candles more, hoping that it will close above. Now as you can see, this is a popular pattern. If it's closing as a red, then this should be okay. I thought this should be the 3 black crows. Yes, the 3 black crows often happen after a breakout, and then you get the retracement back to, yes, now the 3 black crows, then you get the continuation candle that is going to close above our entry points. Okay, so let's keep on waiting. This is just what we have to do. You see an opportunity, you wait, and you take your trade for 5 minutes. This 5 minutes trade are the easiest to take, especially for beginner traders who cannot predict the next candle perfectly. You take your 5 minutes trade until you are experienced enough to start taking 1 minute trade, so you don't blow up your trading account. Okay, the market has started going up now. The breakout happened, 3 black crows happened, and now a strong breakout candle is forging up. So this is how the market moves. This is the algorithm of the market. We have a downtrend, a ranging, and then a breakout, a retest, and what, a continuation. And this is what we are seeing now. So from here we are going to see that the market condition after this breakout is forming a retracement and a continuation. So after now, if we see another retracement, because it has happened before, that's typical of the market, it will happen again. So if we see another retracement, we are going at the bottom, we are going to, or at the key level, we are going to enter into the trade and get ourselves in the money. So my friends, let's wait. We have some 10 seconds left to show you how trading can be a worthwhile experience only if you are patient, if you are aware, and you can properly execute your trade without fear. So until next time, wow, I took the trade and the section and the asset got closed for the week. So we have our OTC markets left. So until next time, my friends, this is all for the week. We'll see on next week. Hopefully we're going to take more trade. So until next time, bye bye.